Testing. So today in this video we are going to learn about how to write data in an Excel sheet. Okay, I have created some video on how to write and read data from text file. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn about how to write data in an Excel sheet. Okay, so just open the Excel sheet in your system. Okay, so this is known as a complete book. Okay, this is the book and it will contain, it have some sheets. Okay, this is completely known as a book and each book contain some n number of sheets. There are three sheets: sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Okay, so just save this file. Let me save this file at our project location. Okay, file, save as, restore as a Excel workbook. Okay, at our project location. So just copy your location of your project file. Okay, just copy and save this file at your project location. So just change the location and then we write, give the name of, okay, book 1, book 1. Okay, at our project's location. Control paste, let me enter here and then book 1. Let me save this one. Okay, so now we have this file at our project location. Just refresh. See, this is the file. Okay, now come to Eclipse. Just refresh your project. As of now we don't have any file with the book1.xlsx format. So just refresh your project. See, this is the dummy file. Just remove this one, delete. So delete file, yeah, click on OK. It will delete this dummy file. Okay, okay, better to leave it. So this is our Excel file, sorry, Excel sheet, book1.xlsx. Okay, so okay, we got this error because the sheet is open in a background. So just close your sheet. After creating the sheet, just close it and now try to delete this one. Click on okay, we don't have any option. Okay, see guys, sheet is gone. Just refresh your folder, your project. Okay, now we have only one file, which is our Excel sheet. Now we are going to try to enter some data in this file. Okay, so I have already created one class with name test05 underscore Excel writing. So to write or to read and write data from the Excel sheet, we need some external jar files. Okay, we need to import some jar file which is known as a Apache POI jar. Okay, I have already downloaded this jar. I will provide the link, okay, of this jar file. You just open the link and download. Okay, now I will import all jar files. Okay, just right click on your project and click on the build path and then configure build path and then click on the add external jars. Add external jars. Okay, then import each and every jar files. So this is the jar file POI 3.12. some jar files are present in this folder and some are in different folders. Just open, control all, open. Okay, add external jars. Now from this folder, open. Okay, add external jars and import remaining jars as well. Control all, we have imported this one. So this is the remaining jar. Just click on open, apply and close. Okay, so now we have all the Apache POI jar files. Apache POI jar files is used to read and write data from the Excel sheet. Okay, now we have Excel sheet, we have Apache POI jar. So let's start with the coding. First thing is we need to create we need to provide the location of our file where we are going to writing. So the first thing is we use file class and we provide the location of our file in this system. So we use file we use file f is equal to new file, and then we provide the location of our Excel sheet. Okay, so just right click on your project, in a sheet and click properties, click on properties and copy this location because this is the location of our file. Copy, close and paste the location over here. So it means in this file we are going to write something. So to write some data in Excel sheet, we need to use file output stream. If we want to read data from the sheet, then we use file input stream, but for the writing purpose we use file output stream. So we use file output stream, FOS is equal to new file output stream, and then we provide the file. Okay, file F, Control Shift F and Control Sub. Let me throw exceptions first of all, then I will show you. Okay, so now we have file, we have written the code for this two line for the file output stream and file. Now we have file. Okay, file means book, but inside the book we need to create some different sheets. Okay, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 based on our requirement. So we use XSSF workbook. Okay, I will show you. It will came from the Apache POI jar files. Okay, so see guys, this is the location, org.apache.poi xsf user model.workbook. Okay, so we are going to create a book. So we use XSF workbook, book is equal to new XSF workbook. Okay, inside the workbook we create some sheets. So we use XSF sheet, XSF sheet again from the Apache POI jar. Okay, XSF sheet is equal to. Okay, now we are going to create a sheet inside the book. So we use create one sheet in a book inside the book. So we use book dot create sheet method is there. Okay, create sheet, and we need to provide the name of our sheet. So inside the sheet we store some ID and password. So I will provide the name of sheet with ID and password. Okay, I will provide the name ID and password. Okay, this is the name of our sheet inside this book. Okay, now inside the book we have created one sheet, but sheet again itself contains some row and cells. Okay, so now we create a row inside this sheet. So we use row, again it came from the Apache POI. So, okay, row is a interface. Row R1 is equal to, we are going to create a row inside the sheet. Okay, so we use sheet dot create row, sheet dot create row, create row at index number 0. Okay, and then inside the row we have different cells. Let me open the sheet, I will show you. Each and every book contain some n number of sheets. Okay, inside this sheet we have different row and cells. So okay, let me open this one. So we have created row inside this sheet and we have created sheet inside the book. Okay. Now we are going to create a cell. So we use cell interface. We use cell. Look guys, there are two different cell. Sorry guys for the disturbance. So there are two different cell interface. One is come from the com.google.common.collect.table, but we need to take cell interface from our Apache POI jar. Okay. So when you import any interface or class, be careful which package it will came. Okay. So just take this interface from Apache POI. So cell C1 is equal to, I will create a cell inside this row. So we use R1 here, R1 dot create cell. Create cell is method to create a cell. Okay, let me close this one. Create cell at index number 0. Okay, we have ID and password, so we have two different cells. So let me create one more cell. So just a minute, I will show you. Okay, so I will create second cell. Okay, for the password. So I will write cell C2 is equal to R1 dot create cell. Create cell. Okay, create cell at index number 1. So we have created two cell. Now it's time to provide the name to the cell. Okay, means we have created first of all book, then inside the book we have created sheet, inside the sheet we have created row, and inside the row we have created two different cells. Now I will provide the name of the cell. Okay, so to provide the name of the cell we use C1. I don't know, I am facing this issue guys, just a minute. Okay, C1 dot set cell value, means we are going to set some value. One method is there, set cell value. Okay, take this one, set cell value string. So I will provide the name of cell is a ID. So at 0 index of row it will create one cell with name ID, and then C1 dot, sorry, again C2 dot set cell value with, okay, let me import anyone, set cell value. I will provide string and password. Control Shift F and Control Save. Okay, now it's time to create the connection between this FOS and book, because as of now we don't have any connection between these 3 lines of code. Okay, so I will create the connection. So we are writing something inside the book with this file output stream, so we need to merge this. So we use book dot write, means we are going to writing something inside the book, and then we provide FOS. Okay, it throws some exceptions. Let me throw first of all, I will show you then. Okay, so we have written the code to create this file. Inside this file it will create one sheet with this name, and inside this sheet it will create one row and two cells, okay, at 0 index and 1 index, and we have set the name of our both cell. So let me close the connection. So first of all, let me close this file output stream. So I will write fos dot close method is there, okay. Then we need to close our book, so we use book dot close method. Without writing this close method we are not able to get any data, so we need to compulsory merge this, and we need to compulsory close both file output stream and book also. Control Shift F to arrange your code in a proper way, and then I will print something. System.out.println, and I will print data entered. Control Shift F, Control Save. Okay, so it will open this file, and inside this file it will create this sheet, and inside this sheet it will create some ID and password. Okay, I will show you. So this is the Excel sheet. Okay, it contains some row and cell in each and every sheet, and inside the Excel sheet and cell start from 0 index. Okay, from 0 index, so that's why I have created first row at index 0. This is for the mainly used for the title of cells. Okay, Control Shift F and Control Save. And from row 1 we have entered the actual data. Okay, so I will show you. Let me close this one, otherwise we are not able to see the. Okay, let me minimize this one. Control Shift F and Control Save. So let me run this one. It will create one row and two shell with ID and password title. Okay, okay, we got this message, data entered. Let me close this one, and let me open our sheet. Okay, file, I will open. From our project's location, so I will open the location. I hope it copied. Okay, so let me open this folder, and inside this folder this is our file. So let me open this one. I hope we got the actual. Okay, see guys, the sheet is created, ID and password. See this one, this is the sheet, ID and password, which we created. Okay, and we have cell also. Okay, let me open Eclipse. This is the sheet name which we provided, and this is the cell name, ID and password. So this is the 0 index. It printed 1 over here, but inside the Excel sheet each and every row and each and every row and cell start from 0 index. Okay, so the first index should be title always. Okay, ID and password. Now we are going to add some data in this file. So let me open sheet again. This is the 0 index row. Okay, now if I need to enter some data, so I need to enter data from here, which means this is the 0 index row, this is the first index row. Okay, so I will start entering actual ID and password from index number 1. So let me create one more row, because this row is for the index number 0. So I will create one more row R2, or let me print. Okay, row R2 is equal to sheet dot create row at index number 1. Means now we have control on this line. This is second line. Okay, this is work as a array. Inside the array, data is entered from index number 0. Okay, same with the Excel sheet also. So this is the 0 index and this is the 1 index. So I have created one more row at first index. Okay, and inside this row I will create two different cells. So I will write cell from Apache POI. Okay, cell C1 is equal to R2 dot create cell at index number 0, and then I will, okay, let me rename C3. Okay, and then I will provide the ID. So I will set the value C3 dot set cell value, and I will provide some dummy ID, any number. Okay, set cell value. This is the method. Same, I will create one more row, sorry, one more cell. Okay, not row, just paste. This is the cell number 4, only reference variable. I will provide C4 dot set cell value. I will provide password, combination of character, special symbols and numbers. Okay, Control Shift F and Control Save, and let me write here like this, so it will be more meaningful. Okay, so let me remove this space also. I will try to make it more meaningful for you guys. Control Shift F, Control Save. So this is the first row. Okay, first row with two cells, two cell ID and password. Okay, and this is the second row with value of ID and password. Control Shift F, Control Save. Okay, let me close this one. Control Shift F, Control Save. Okay, so so as of now we don't have any ID and password, so let me run this code. Okay, so it will reflect new data. Okay, file not found exception. Okay, let me close this one first of all. I think due to this, okay, or cancel, and new. Now let me close this one. Do you want to save changes? No. Okay, now let me run this one, see we got any error or not. Okay, yeah, data is entered. So if you're working on Excel sheet in a Selenium and your script and your sheet is opened in a background, so sometimes it will throw an error. So better to close your sheet each and every time. Okay, I have opened this new sheet. Okay, this is not our sheet, this is the demo sheet. So let me, okay, I have already run. Okay, so just wait for the execution. Let me open this one. I hope we got the data. Okay, open this one, book 1. Okay, so this is the value, but we have only ID. Okay, we have ID, not password. The data is mismatched. Okay, let me close this one. Save changes, no. Let me correct here. So okay, create cell at 0, create cell at 1 index. Okay, so this is the mistake. 0 of 0 means this one, 0 row and 0 cell. It will enter some data here. Okay, 0 row and first cell, it means this is the 0 row, okay, and this is the first cell, so it will write data over here. It will write here password. Okay, now we changed our row. We enter data at row 1. At row number 1, cell should be 0, so it will jump to the first row and 0th cell, so it will enter data over here. First row, 0 cell, same first row, first cell, so it will write data over here. Okay, first row and first cell. Okay, Control Shift F, Control Save. I will show you one more time. This is the first row, first cell at 0 index. Okay, this is the first row at 0 index, so value of this box is, okay, or take this one, so this is the row, so just count 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is the third row, and which cell? 0 and 1, so this is the location of 3 of 1, third row and second cell. Okay, same as a array list. Okay, Control Shift F, Control Save. Let me run this one. Okay, data entered. Let me open our sheet. Just open. Okay, sorry. Okay, we got ID and password title, and we got ID and password. Now I will try to enter some data over here. Okay, so I need to create one row and one cell. I will enter only something over here, 7E. Okay, so first thing is we need to create a row. So let me count the number of row from here: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I will create one row. Okay, row R is equal to sheet dot create row at index number 6. Okay, at row number 6, okay, I will try something here. So now I want the cell number, so cell number is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the fourth number of cell, so I will create one cell. Let me import cell C is equal to R dot create cell at 4th index, and then I will set some value. So C dot set cell value, and I will provide Selenium automation testing. Control Shift F, Control Save. So I have created one row at index number 6 and then I will create at index number 6 I will created one cell at index number 4. So I hope we got some data at 7 and E at this one. Okay, so let me close this one. Save changes, no. So let me save and let me run this one. Okay, data entered. Let me open our sheet. Book one. Okay, see guys, at 7th number of row with E. Okay, this is the outside the box. Okay, so based on this logic you are able to fill all the data. Okay, but remember guys, this is the first number, but this row, this row is present at 0 index. Okay, this is only the number, series number, just forget about this number. Okay, this is the 0th index, first, and so on. Same with the cell also, 0 index, 1, 2, and continue. So I hope guys you get some idea from this video. Let me remove this one. This is only for the practice purpose. Okay, Control Shift F and Control Save. So this is the logic to write the data in Excel sheet. Okay, I will share this code on my blog, and I will provide the URL of my blog in this video's description box. So I hope guys you get some idea from this video how to write data in an Excel sheet. This is only for the Excel sheet writing purpose. Okay, first create the file, then use file output stream to writing inside the sheet, then create book. Inside the book we created sheet with this name. Inside this sheet we created row. Okay, and inside this row R1 we created different cells, and we provide the set cell value. So I hope guys you get some idea from this video. If you really like this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video guys. Thank you.